time!
Let's go!
Buckle up!
Huh? Come on! Ooh. No.
Everyone in the car must buckle up!
Okay!
La 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 la! We're ready to go!
Super!
Oh, let's go to the candy shop. Be my friend.
Whoa!
Are you okay?
Uh-huh. Uh-oh.
See what can happen?
Yes.
Always keep your seatbelt fastened in the car.
Okay.
Lunchtime!
Wow.
Oliver, let me fasten your seatbelt.
No.
But you can fall out of the chair. Oh, what's that sound?
Uh-oh.
Look what can happen.
Okay.
Always buckle up. Much better.
Super. I'm so hungry.
Okay. Now we will play.
Yay! Let's go.
Oliver, you forgot to fasten your seatbelt.
No.
It's necessary for safety. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go!
Uh-oh.
Do you understand why you need a seatbelt?
Okay.
Good job. Come on.
No.
As you wish. Oliver, let her go first.
Uh-huh.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Oh.
Look what can happen.
Okay.
La 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 la. Time to play video games. Come on.
Look.
Huh? Oliver!
Yes.
Thank you, Oliver. You have learned the lesson well.
Yay! Ooh, hello.
Ready, steady, go! Oliver! Slowly, Oliver.
Oh.
Oh, no! Oliver,
Oh.
I will help you.
Super.
Surprise!
Thank you. Hello. Wow.
La 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 la. Where is Adam?
Idea. Ooh, what is this? This. Thank you.
Here you are, boys.
Yay!
Let's play football. Yee-haw! Come on.
Hi-ya!
Ouch!
Oh no! Mommy!
Oh, I have a boo-boo on my nose.
Idea! Wow! Yay!
Thank you, boys.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Idea. Cool.
Ah. What?
play. Yoo-hoo!
Hey, yup.
Oi, 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 oi.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh. Idea. Ooh. Purple. Yeah.
Much better.
Let's go.